Learning a foreign language is impossible. However, you can easily acquire it, just like you did with your native language. I have good news and bad news for you. Here's the bad news. The more you try to consciously control your vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation, the worse your progress will be. Why? Because a foreign language is vast and your working memory is small. You can't process it all at once. But here's the good news. What the conscious mind struggles to process, the unconscious mind absorbs effortlessly. So don't try to learn, just relax and acquire. You need two things: time and comprehensible input. You need consistent input, listening to the language every day, gradually getting used to it, and absorbing it naturally. The most important rule: you must understand what the words and sentences mean. In other words, your input must be comprehensible. This can be tricky to organize on your own, but I've already done it for you. The videos on this channel are designed to help you acquire a new language from scratch using the comprehensible input approach. How does it work? Pick a video in the language you want to acquire. Start watching it every day. Over time, just like a child, your brain will naturally build a model of the new language. During this phase, don't try to speak. Don't study grammar. Don't write, don't read. Just listen to the video regularly. The best time? Morning. You can listen twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Avoid subtitles, they slow down language acquisition. Be consistent. Listen every day for several months. What's next? Start watching native content in your target language. If you listen for 2 hours a day, in about a year, you'll be able to understand most of what native speakers say. No rush, no stress, just listen, and the language will come to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.